I will compare the new Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 with Sony Xperia Pro 1. Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 comes with 6.5 inches LTPO LED display and aspect ratio 19:5:9. Sony Xperia Pro 1 6.5 inches OLED display and aspect ratio 21:9. Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 run on the Android 14 operating system. Sony Xperia Pro 1 run on the Android 11 operating system. Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 it comes with 12GB RAM and 512GB 1TB internal storage. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and GPU Adreno 750. Sony Xperia Pro 1 it comes with 12GB RAM and 512GB internal storage. Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor and GPU Adreno 660. Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 real set triple camera setup 48 MP plus 12 MP plus 12 MP one camera 12 MP. Sony Xperia Pro 1 real set triple camera setup 12 MP plus 12 MP plus 12 MP one camera 8 MP. Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 5000 mAh battery 30W fast charging support. Sony Xperia Pro 1 4500 mAh battery 30W fast charging support.